Hi, my name is Sheena Moore with Design Essentials, and I have my client Deshanka here who came in because she had some concerns with her locks and she wanted to get a little bit more information. So, Deshanka, can you tell me what some of your issues or concerns are?
Yes, so I do work out a lot, so I sweat, and it tends to get dry over time. So I just need to know how can I maintain it and also keep the moisture in my locks.
We have amazing products that can take care of all of your concerns, so let's get started.
Okay, let's do it.
Step 1 is to cleanse. Using Design Essentials, oat protein and henna, fuller, thicker, stronger, deep cleansing shampoo. It deep cleanses by removing buildup and residue and promoting scalp health. Its gentle formula for daily or weekly cleansing is perfect for all hair types and adds volume to fine, thinning, or limp hair. We will also be cleansing using the Design Essentials Honey Cream Moisture Retention Super Detangling Conditioning Shampoo. It quickly softens, detangles, and smooths the hair cuticle. Its gentle, non-tripping formula can be used daily and sulfate-free. Step 2 is to condition using Design Essentials Honey Cream Moisture Retention Mask. It strengthens hair while locking in intense moisture, improves hair elasticity, and adds luminous shine, eases the detangling process, and improves hair manageability, free from parabens, phthalates, silicones, and gluten. Step 3 is to prep. We will be using Design Essentials Bamboo and Silk HCO Leave-In Conditioner. It instantly moisturizes, softens and detangles, restores and strengthens the hair shaft. Step 4, style. Using Design Essentials Loc Braid Styling Gel. It provides a strong hold for starting and retwisting locks, braids, and twists. Nourishes and controls frizz without flaking or weighing the hair down. It is infused with castor oil, which supports scalp health and strengthens hair, locks in moisture, and delivers healthy, shiny results. Step 5. Maintain. Using Design Essentials Vitamin Drops. It helps protect the scalp from free radicals and ultraviolet rays, helps to promote hair growth, and restores and strengthens to help produce an optimal environment for a healthy scalp. It is dermatologist tested and free from artificial fragrances, dyes, and mineral oils.